do. Brandt sees his first seagull since he can walk. What do you think of that, Brandt? What do you think of that birdie? You wonder what he's doing. Say bird. Yeah, there's a bird. Hi, seagull. He's walking away. He doesn't want to be pet. He's a wild bird. Brandt's determined to catch him. Brandt's determined. You too? You guys are so silly. You're just gonna follow him around. Yeah. Poor Mr. Seagull. You silly gooses. Daddy's gonna get our bike. As he'll be on a silly goose. Trying to catch the birdie. Yeah, bird? Can you say bird? Can you say bird? He's talking. Is he talking? Yeah, you didn't know what to think of that. He flew away, Brandt. He flew